In this video, I'll show you how to build an interactive map in Outgrow, a powerful tool that lets you create engaging experiences without any coding required. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic, user-friendly map to your site or build one for your marketing campaigns, Outgrow makes it super easy. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing how you can get started with Outgrow for free through a special offer you won't want to miss. First, let's get right into it. Building an interactive map with Outgrow is simpler than you might think. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Outgrow dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, you can grab a free trial link from the description below, and trust me, you'll want to take advantage of that. Once you're logged in, click on Create New and select Interactive Map from the list of templates. From there, you'll be able to choose from a variety of map options, whether it's a geographical map, an image map, or a custom layout. Outgrow's pre-built templates are perfect for beginners, but you can always customize the design further to match your branding. After choosing your template, you'll move on to customizing your map. This part is where the fun begins. You can add interactive points to the map, like locations, clickable regions, or even pop-ups with more information when users hover or click on a spot. It's an excellent feature for businesses that want to showcase their services in different locations or give users a more immersive experience. Plus, you can make these interactions as simple or complex as you like. You can even integrate forms or calls to action directly into your map, perfect for lead generation or driving sales. One of the standout features of Outgrow is its easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to create a stunning interactive map. Outgrow's built-in editor allows you to adjust colors, labels, icons, and more, helping you design a map that fits perfectly with your website or campaign. There's also a preview feature, so you can see exactly how it will look before publishing. Once your map is designed, it's time to integrate it with your website or marketing campaign. Outgrow gives you multiple options for embedding your map, whether through a simple embed code, a WordPress plugin, or direct integration with your landing page or email campaigns. This level of flexibility makes it easy to share your interactive map across different platforms and ensure it's accessible to as many users as possible. And here's a bonus. Outgrow provides analytics so you can track how users interact with your map. You'll be able to see which points are getting the most clicks, how long people spend on your map, and even gather leads directly through the interactive elements. It's a powerful tool for refining your marketing strategy and understanding your audience better. If you're looking to take your marketing to the next level, creating an interactive map in Outgrow is an excellent choice. And remember, you can try it for free with the link in the description below. This special offer gives you extended access to all the features I've mentioned today. To wrap up, Outgrow offers a ton of value for digital marketers, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. From interactive maps to calculators and quizzes, the platform provides a range of tools to increase user engagement and generate leads. Don't forget to grab your free trial using the exclusive link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching and happy creating.